Hello, I'm Gavin Cowap, Director of Program Management Automotive, based in the US. Happy to be part of the Modig team since April this year. We are very excited for the future. We have some new models coming to market, the MillX and the IF. It's going to be very interesting to see cross-member type applications, EV type applications, cross-member sills will be a very good fit for that platform. We will have these models in new demo areas both in Sweden and the US. If you have any needs for your applications, feel free to send me any drawings, reach out to me and make contact. I'll be very happy to.